that we have created these three groups, so we can see how to add users to this group. Now before we do that, you need to have some sample users, right? So obviously in your computer you can actually create those sample users using computer manage. So when you go to that manage, you'll have a window coming up, place coming up, where you can add your sample users. So there you go. You have local users and computers. Now this we are doing here because it's a Windows 7 machine. Now if you are in the server, then you need to add it in the Active Directory. So these two concepts are pretty important, right? So authentication and authorization.
Authorization and authentication.
So we have some sample users here. So if you want, we can go ahead and create new users. But we have some sample users that we're going to make use of. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add user 1 in the members group and HR admin in the owners group and user 2 in the visitors group. So I'm going to add these three users in three different groups, and we're going to see when they log in what happens. Clear? So let's go ahead to your permissions. So first I'm going to go to my HR owners. I've clicked on the group and new user, add users to this group. So I click on it and then I'm going to say HR admin, right? So which is my username here. So I enter the username and then press on this check names, which will pick up the username from this place and bring it here. So it just takes a couple of seconds. See? So as soon as it is underlined, that means it has recognized this user. So I'm going to say OK. Now in the HR members, I'm going to add user 1. Right? In the HR visitors, I'm going to add user 2. Excellent. Clear? Now I'm going to go to home page and we are going to log in as HR admin. And we will see whether he is able to access. So I say sign in as a different user, then say HR admin and my password. Oh, why? It says get lost, access denied. It says get lost, access denied. Why does it say that? We gave permission, owner permission, right? So, but it says, okay, I recognize you as a valid user. You are authenticated successfully, but you are not authorized to do anything. So what's wrong here? Now what we need to understand is that we added the HR admin to the HR site, not to the home site. Because we said the sub-site does not inherit, it's not inheriting. So which means it says no. Home page, no access. We should give, exactly, we should give permissions for these users in the home site also. Excellent. So how do we do that?